Good afternoon. It's June the 9th, 2016. Time to wrap up today's trading. We came into the market today with basically the idea of buying the 90 to 95 area. This was our buy zone, and we had a sell zone of 3 to 7. That was our sell zone. This was our buy zone. And again, we have such a lack of range once we break out of a bar's high or low. I mean, we were dealing with a 4-handle trading range for a bit, and that's just the reality. So the trades that really worked are limit sells on value area highs, limit buys. You've got trade location. Trades out of the middle right here, they don't produce anything. It's just very, very difficult. So limit sells. Limit buys, and you faded some heat down here for sure. And on this one, a limit sell would have been a best to scratch. Come back up. 2105 holds. Trades right back down to the mean green line, and we've since made new highs. So the trading definitely on the summer schedule. And what we're really missing is both sides of the market. The Fed's just not going to allow this market to sell if they have anything to say about it. Okay, on the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, we can sell it tomorrow. The F2 screen, a little bit different picture. While it is still a B, right now if we do a K-split, come to the middle, we may have started a new distribution out of the 2101, 2102 area. So if the market was to close right now, we don't have a market moving news tomorrow, we'd be selling failure to take out 6 to 9 or 7 to 9. Then we're basically leaning against 15. 13 to 15 would be sell number 2. On the buy side, I think 95, 97, still where our buy zone is. Maybe buy 2. In this case, we'll put a question mark at 01. Buy 1 at 21 even with a question mark. So buy 2, the 95, 97 area. I see a trading range developing tomorrow, basically given the lack of news. I think the easiest trade to see is failure to take out 2105, 2110. And hell, if George Soros is short right now, I mean, shouldn't we be short too? Just kidding. So 2100 plus or minus with a question mark, and then 95, 97. And if the rest of the stock markets rally around the globe after our sterling performance today, it'll make it easier to trade from the long side. If they pass today's market activity, then it'll be easier to get short. But it's just have to let the market come to us and be very, very patient and get away from the screens, put your stops in and your trading target, and disappear for an hour or two. Okay, outside day trading range, my guess is that's what we'll have tomorrow on the note. It'll be settlement day. I do expect this to settle and close tomorrow above 130.31. The knob spread strengthened today. That's why this contract's a little bit weaker than the bond. So 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. I think to break it out, it takes heavy selling in the stock market. On the buy side, 29 to 01. And then 21 to 25. Tomorrow's news, consumer confidence. Written in my best Arabic style. 94.5 could come in lower than forecast, and Baker Hughes rig count was 449. That includes Canadian rigs. Looking at the 30-year, B pattern as far as TPOs go. Volume's a little bit high, so again, I think we got a trading range, and we're going to have support at 12 to 16. So 5 to 9 by 1, 29 to 01 by 2. And I think it takes a pretty big move in the E-mini to change things around. 24, 28, sell 1. Our sells worked out really good in the bond today. That 03 to 31, sell 1. 7 to 11. And again, if the E-mini's moving big time, we'll probably have our answer. I don't think it will, but you never know for sure. Gold, failure to take out 75 is probably the easiest trade to see. Strong market, and really not a single piece of news to tie it to, but you can see it started up yesterday, so we'll put these distributions like that, catch our move out of the middle. Looking for a place to buy it. The easiest trade to see is going to be failure to take out and hold 75. So 74, 76, maybe end of the week profit taking. 79, 81, sell 2. The low volume area up here is 85, 86. On the buy side, the breakout came from Globex from 67. Got this high, got an E period low at that, so 68, 70 by 1. And then 66, 64 by 2. Crude oil is trying to break or sell. Based on the fundamentals, it should. We had that second article on Nigerian rebels. And that news is old news to the trader, especially with the BBC or Reuters feed. But Zero Hedge picked it up, and really an outside day when you look at it. So trading range if it doesn't break early. Um, 75 to 51, sell 1. Sell 2, 51 and a quarter, 51.50. On the buy side, I think they're going for stops below 50, but we haven't gotten there yet. So 50 to 50 and a quarter by 1. Then 49 and a quarter, 49.50 by 2. And last but not least, the euro. Good trader. Boy, too bad I don't live on London time. Make a very handsome living with this contract. I think it's headed lower long term. Does not stop it from rallying from time to time. Yellen's comments the first part of the week. Were responsible for that rally. Okay, outside day, my guess is we're headed lower. I think the F2 screen will show that. F1 I think does. 2, not perfectly so. Not textbook, but close enough. So we have this 1290, basically 113 even, then 113.06, and you can see they really weren't challenging these two letter ledges and the rest of it. So Once again, the trade from the short side is the easiest to see. 40 to 50, sell 1. 65, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, it is support 130, 130.10, buy 1. Then 12.75, buy 2. And that's it for June the 9th, 2016. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. Have a great evening. I think it's going to be 95, 96 today. Probably a little bit warmer than that. So summer has arrived, which is what it's all about. Y'all have a great evening. Appreciate your participation today. See you in the morning.